Welcome to Enoven Foods. Today let's make monsoon special tea time kurmure Namak Para, a crunchy homemade snack. Let's start the recipe. In a mixing bowl, add 1 cup flour, half teaspoon cumin, half teaspoon ajwain, and half teaspoon salt. Mix everything well. Ajwain gives snack a wonderful aroma and unique flavor. Now pour in 2 tablespoons hot oil. Ajwain is traditionally known for supporting digestion. Rub it into the flour until the mixture looks crumbly. Use hot oil while making the dough for a crispier texture. Next, add 1/4 cup water. Mix and make a firm, smooth dough. Homemade snacks let you control the quality of ingredients. Apply a little oil over the dough. Cover and let it rest for 10 minutes. After resting, take a small portion of the dough and roll it into a thin sheet. Roll the dough evenly for uniform cooking. Cut into a neat diamond shape. Diamond shaped snacks are a classic style used in many traditional recipes. Meanwhile, heat oil on medium flame. Carefully add the pieces to the hot oil. Fry slowly until they turn golden brown and extra crispy. Fry on medium heat for the best golden color. Homemade crispy snacks stay fresh for several days in an airtight container. Freshly prepared snacks contain fewer preservatives than packaged ones. Remove and let them cool for a few minutes. Cool completely before storing to keep the snack crispy. Now they are ready to enjoy with a hot cup of tea on a rainy day. Simple ingredients, amazing crunch, and perfect for the monsoon season. Follow Enoven Foods for more easy homemade snacks and delicious recipes.